Hello grade 5. Today we will make exercise on triangles. We will study the theory in the last video and today we will make the exercise on your book. We make a little revision on what we take in the last video. We said that a triangle is a polygon with three sides. We can classify triangles by the length of their side or by the measure of their angles. If we classifying the triangles by the sides, we can say that there is the equilateral triangle when we have three congruent sides, the isosceles triangle when we have two congruent sides, scalene triangle when we have no congruent sides. So by the side we have equilateral, isosceles and scalene. If we want to classifying it by the measure of the angles, we say that we have right triangle when we have a right angle, so one angle is equal 90 degree. Acute angle when the three angle, all the angle are acute. Obtuse triangle when we have an obtuse angle in the triangle, so we have an angle that is bigger than 90. Okay, let's go to the exercise. Open your book, page 221. Exercise number 1. We want to classify each triangle. We want to write if it is isosceles, equilateral or scalene. And then we want to write if it is acute, obtuse or right. Okay? Okay, we have this picture. We begin with the side. We have one side of 8, one side of 6 and one side of 10. So the three measures of the side are different, okay? So none of the side measure are equal. No one. So it is scalene. When we have no congruent side, we have a scalene triangle. Then we have an angle of 37, an angle of 53. When we have a little square in the angle, this means that it is a right angle. So we have here a right angle. So if we have a right angle, so it is a right triangle. So this triangle is scalene and right. Exercise number 2, page 221. We want again to write if it is isosceles, scalene, equilateral, and then if it is acute, obtuse, or right. Here we don't have the measure of the side, but we have the two sides up congruent because we have a line on it. So we have two sides are equal. So two of the side measures are equal. So it is isosceles. The angle is 118, one angle. So this is an obtuse angle, so there is an obtuse angle. If it is an obtuse angle, we have an obtuse triangle. So this is isosceles and obtuse. Exercise number 3. We have again a triangle. We want to write if it is isosceles, scalene or equilateral, and if then we want to write if it is acute, obtuse or right. Here we have the three sides 50, 50 and 15. So we have two measure of the sides equal. So we have an isosceles triangle. The angle is 22 and the other two angles are acute. We can see from the image is smaller than 90. So we can say that the three angles are acute angles. So this is acute triangle. So this triangle is isosceles and acute. Exercise number 4, page 221. We want to classify again the triangle. We want to say if it is right, obtuse, acute, and then we want to write if it is scalene, isosceles, or equilateral. So here we have the side that is equal 7, 25, and 24. So none of the side measures are equal. We have 3 different numbers, so it is scalene. Okay? The angle, here we have again a little square in the angle. This is mean that we have a right angle. So it is a right triangle. So here we have a scalene and a right triangle. This is scalene and right. Now, exercise number 5, page 221. A triangle has sides with length and angle measure given, okay? We want to write if it is isosceles, scalene, or equilateral. And then we want to write if it is acute, obtuse, or right, okay? Here the sides given is 44, 28, and 24. So, 44, 28, 24, the 3 numbers are different. So, it is a scalene triangle. Okay, the angle is 110, 40, and 30. Here we have an angle that is bigger than 90. So here we have an obtuse angle. So it is a obtuse triangle. So this triangle is scalene and obtuse. The last exercise. Exercise number 6, page 221. Again, we have a triangle that has sides with the length and angle measure given. We want to write if it is scalene, isosceles, or equilateral. And then we want to write if it is acute, obtuse, or right. The side is 23, 20, and 30. The 3 numbers are different, so the measures are not equal. So, it is scalene. The angle is 62, 72, 46 degrees. So, no one is bigger than 90. No one is equal of 90. So, the 3 numbers are smaller than 90. So, we have 3 acute angles. So, we have an acute triangle. So, this triangle with this side and these angles is scalene and acute. I hope that you understand the theory of the triangle. In the next video we will make a little revision on polygons and on triangle. And if you need anything, I am here. Good study and bye.